Hey everyone, if you're an electrician, low voltage installer, contractor, or DIYer who regularly installs old work electrical boxes, this video is for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Jonard Tools WTL-12 wall box template and level, part of Jonard's family of wall box templates designed to make accurate box cutouts faster and easier. Here are some key features. Built-in levels make it easy to position the template perfectly straight before cutting. Wide protective rubber strips hold the template securely and prevent scuffing or scratching the wall. Compatible with many common non-metallic boxes, including Carlon, single and double gang boxes, Arlington low voltage boxes, and more. Added screw holes allow you to temporarily fasten the template for hands-free cutting. And just so you know, the 1 gang cutout measures 2 1/4 by 3 5/8 inch, and the 2 gang cutout measures 4 by 3 5/8 inch, perfect for most standard non-metallic old work boxes. Now let's look at the other templates in Jonard's lineup and what makes each unique. The WTL-32M wall box template and level features triangular cutouts for guiding your cut around metal ears. The WTL-34 features a larger template for 3 gang and 4 gang non-metallic boxes, great when you need to cut multiple boxes in a row. Jonard also packages these templates into complete electrical box cutting kits. The EBW-412 includes the WTL-12 and a single gang electrical wall box cutter, great if you want everything in one package. The EBW-812 comes with the WTL-12 and a double gang box cutter, perfect for handling 2 gang installs. These kits save you time and money by combining the template and cutter you need for precise, clean old work installs. If you're cutting old work electrical boxes and want perfectly level, accurate openings with minimal fuss, the WTL-12 is a simple yet effective tool for your bag. And with the larger templates and kits available, you can handle almost any box size with confidence. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.